You can also find the mean, the class containing the median, and the modal class for continuous data presented in a grouped frequency table. In this, one of my previous videos, we learned about what is mean, median, and mode, and how to find the mean, median, and mode of ungrouped data and from ungrouped frequency table. Now, let's take a look at how to calculate the mean, find the modal class, and the class containing the median of a grouped frequency table. The weekly wages to the nearest euro of the production line workers in a small factory are shown in this table. Write down the modal class. The modal class is the class with the highest frequency. As you can see here, the highest frequency is 28 and hence the modal class is 351 euros to 400 euros. Estimate the mean. For this, use the formula x bar equals the sum of the products of the data values and their frequencies divided by the sum of the frequencies, taking the midpoint of each class interval as the value of x. The answer is an estimate because we don't know the exact data values. So, to calculate an estimate of the mean wage, first find the midpoints of each of these class intervals. In one of my previous videos, how to find the class boundaries, midpoint and class width, I covered on how to find the midpoint in detail, so I won't be explaining it in detail here. Now, first let's take the class interval 175 to 225 euros. The data here has gaps and hence the midpoint for this is 174.5 plus 225.5 divided by 2 equals 200. And the midpoint of each class intervals are 200, 263, 325.5, 375.5, 450.5 respectively. So, to estimate the mean, multiply the midpoint of each class interval with the frequencies and then add them together. Then divide by the sum of the frequencies. So, the sum of the products of the midpoints and their frequencies is 22,403.5 and the sum of all the frequencies is 65. So, the estimated mean wage is 22,403.5 divided by 65 equals 345 euros. Now, let's take a look at how to find the class interval containing the median. Adding all the frequencies gives us 65 and hence there are a total of 65 observations. 65 is an odd number, so the median is 65 plus 1 divided by 2 equals 33. The median is the 33rd observation. As you can see here, there are 12 observations up to the interval 226 to 300 euros and 30 observations up to 301 to 350 euros. So, the 33rd observation lies in the class interval 351 to 400 and hence the interval containing the median is 351 euros to 400 euros.